Year, our batch 2024, we have Anuj, who stood first, Anuj Chetri. Then we have Ayumi Moman, who has come in the 6th position. And we have Anurav Paul, who has come 19th. To start with, we are so excited. We were so excited when we saw the name list. First again, after last year's results. I have no words to even express myself right now, because yes, we did expect good results, but this was something we never expected. So I'm really happy. I congratulate all the students, all the parents and all the teachers who have played an equal part in the results that Sherwood has given today. So there were 45 students who appeared, and we are still going through the results now, and the office is still going through them one by one, and they have done outstanding. Students who we really did not expect have come out with 70+% and letters in 4 to 5 subjects. It is such a proud moment for all of us at Sherwood today. The reason why I feel year after year Sherwood is producing such good results is because of the relationship that the teacher and the student has. Here at Sherwood, we believe that every child is unique. You know, we need to give special attention to each and every child, and just because the child doesn't know doesn't mean we just leave them from a very young age. So that's how my teachers have been guiding the students from a very low class, and by the time they are in the senior classes, it becomes easier for us to handle all of them together, because we've molded them in such a way, you know, that we've put them all at par together when they are in a higher class. So I think this may be the funda why Sherwood always does well year after year.